Yo guys, good morning. It's April 24, day 115 ng daily vlog. At pauwi na ako galing sa office. I believe it's Wednesday morning, no? April 24. And meron na akong bukang liwayway. Nakita ba? Konti. So yeah guys, as always, I'm very thankful for this morning. Thankful to God for giving us another chance, another day to fulfill our dreams, to work for our dreams, no, and para naman ma-improve natin yung sarili natin, ganun. And malungkot lang kasi malayo tayo sa ating mga mahal sa buhay, pero the reason why we're working and we're here is for them, to provide for them na. And hopefully I will see myself improve, no, because of this daily vlogging. I will see such improvements sa akin, sa personality ko na. Actually nakakatulong talaga itong daily vlog because it serves as my diary, no? Daily diary of my daily routine of my state of mind and my state of heart, no? How I think and how I feel, no? Siguro check ko lang din yung ano ba yung mga kagustuhan ko sa buhay. Ganun pa rin. I'm still trying to dream about ending this year with 6 to 7 figures, no, of money or of investments, and also to build up off the street, no, online business. I still want that, no. Also hopefully enroll, no. I will try to enroll, no, and study again. That's my goal. Maybe kukunin ko yung credentials ko sa TUP and then try ko mag-enroll sa TIP, no. Pero in God's grace pa rin talaga, depende pa rin sa provision ni God ko mangyayari yun. So yeah. And also I'm looking forward for my vacation sa July 4 to July 26. And also yeah, actually madami akong gustong mangyari pero I don't think na kaya akong ma-accomplish yun. But you know, I want to exercise to become as positive as possible, as optimistic as possible. So yeah, why not? And yeah, this is where I walk every day. Yo, dito na sa bahay. And yeah, naglakad lang ako pa uwi, no? So yeah. Pahinga muna. Papunta ng work, no? So, yeah. Let's go. Papunta ng trabaho. And yeah, sobrang init. Naawa din ako sa situation nila papa sa probinsya. Kasi mainit din doon. Naalala ko kasi wala pang kisame sa sa bahay. Mainit yung bubong. Sa mga ganitong oras, salawin na alas 2. Kailangan lumipat ni papa dito sa kabila. Sa kabilang lugar na sa malapit din sa simbahan. So, mas presko kasi din. So yeah, lakad muna ako papuntang office. Lunch time. Teka muna. Kakatapos lang ng work. And yeah, pahinga muna. It's been a normal day, no? Wala namang gaanong ganap, no? So yeah, nag-OT lang ako ng isang oras kasi nalate ako kanina ng mga 8 minutes. Yeah. Once again, every day grateful, and thankful for all of the blessings sa disposition ko sa buhay, satisfied, but of course hindi mawawala yung mangarap pa rin, mangarap ng mataas, dream high, aim for the sky, yeah, but at the same time we must not be ignorant or arrogant, or be blind for the small blessings na binibigay sa atin. Kailangan we must be very grateful for it, yeah, and let's just continue to improve ourselves every day, improve our values, our personality, our purity, we must also be wary of our spiritual life, again, this life is a journey, of coming back to the kingdom, so we must, as we age, we must become at least closer to what is described as holy, so and yeah, just keep on improving, and let's not waste our time. So yeah, that's it. Yun lang din masasabi ko, and dito din i-end yung araw nito, April 24, day 115, ng daily vlog. So see you tomorrow.